The next topic is local zone. So local zones are designed to bring core services, okay, which are very latency sensitive portion of your workload closer to the end users. Because availability zones are, far away. They give us the full array of the services. But local zone, you can understand it as because availability zones are costly to create for AWS, okay? So AWS created the concept of local zone, which are, very closely or nearby available. And these are high in number than availability zone. Because we want to bring the core services nearer to the end users. Correct. So if you want your core services nearby to your user, then you can use or you can deploy those services into local zone instead of availability zone. So what are the latency sensitive portion? For example, you are creating one gaming software. Okay. And you have the user data and the leaderboard into DynamoDB. So this is a live gaming software. So obviously the leaderboard would be changing frequently. And there you do not need any kind of network latency. So what you can do is you can just put this DynamoDB into the local zone nearer to your customers. So where you require single digit millisecond latency for your end users, you can go with AWS local zones. Media and entertainment, real-time gaming, machine learning, AR, VR are some of the use cases where you can use local zones. If we want to do the video rendering, okay, it is a graphic intensive process. So we do not want our compute to be, somewhere very far away, because that would, it itself is resource intensive or graphic intensive process. Okay, it is a heavy process. And in that also, if we face the network latency, that would make things slower. So because we do not want that, we can deploy our resources on local zone. We'll be seeing on the portal how to enable these local zones. Basically, we have to enable these. These are not enabled by default. Okay.